Hi. Yeah, today I would like to talk about my first job. My first job was a very cool job. I was living in Lisbon, and at that time I talked with a friend. We go out drink some coffee. It was a old friend from university, and during the talk, my friends say, "Hey, you know that I am working from this company. This is a software house. We have a lot of projects, and we are looking for skilled people. If you want to join us, I can talk with my boss, and you can have some interview." I said, "Okay, I'm looking for a job, and I like you, and it's my pleasure to work with you." He said, "Okay, let's talk with my boss, and just you following the normal process of recruitment, selection, and recruiting." Okay, I go. The first day, I wait more than 1 hour. My no hour, it's correct. Because the guy that will suppose do the interview to me was very busy. After that, I have the interview with the boss and other two developers. It was a bunch of questions about me, about the previous job that I was doing. I was just in university doing some research and looking for job. They asked me the type of project that I did. I talk about the project. In that time, I was very focused on the embedded system programming C because my job was related to this program language. By the way, I was doing some stuff on my own from small company. It was because uh, I was in love with the just .NET. I remember it was the .NET 2005. I just uh, I go to the library, I get the book, and I starting just developing some project on my own. Yeah, and I was very skilled, and the doubt that I have in that time I was talking with this friend. It's because .NET have something very interesting in that time. In that time, we was in my lab. The people was doing some project, firmware project, and sometimes we need just to create some GUI interface using the serial communication and just to print some the ADC status and replicate exactly something that we was doing in this electronic machine on this electronic stuff. Just have some cool interface just to print graph, to print button, turn off, and see the way that we can interact with microcontroller. And the .NET in this time just published the UART interface. It was very easy to implement some Windows form using the UART and communication with the electronic device over the UART. And it was, to me, super amazing because a year before the people was using the C++ and the MFC, and yeah, it's not was easy, it was hard, and less people in the world was using the FMC, and the C Sharp catch all my attention and all my interest because it was easy, it was very good. And yeah, I know I talk to this guy, so I know the C Sharp very well. I'm program uh, this UI for interconnect electronic device, and he said, "Yo, it's cool." Actually, the project that we have open now, we are just thinking about this project. This is a research project. Is doing a traffic managed system. We have all the electronic cameras, video cameras that is recording the car plates numbers and formatting all these information and send to a server. Yeah, if you want, you can start in research this project, starting with cameras and define with the architect that we have. They will help you just define which model of web we need just to integrate this camera and remotely manage the system. Uh, don't worry, this is a research project that we said we don't define anything, but is great. We have some person with your skill, with research skills, because we expect to have a lot of documentation, a lot of user case. At the end, we can just building something very interesting. I said, okay, cool. Yeah, this guy offered me this job. It was amazing. I enjoyed the team. I learning a lot. I was the first time that I work in team with web designer. Uh, I even don't know the web design. I was just know that if you design some web or some project, you do the different part of the project, but they just teach me. It's in 2012. They just teach me, no, we don't do the thing this way. The only thing that I did, but I have just some academic previous experience, was the work with the CSQL database. What I learning in this in my first job, I learning that our career is something that we must be very careful, uh, because we need to know exactly where we want to go and the achieve we want each year, because it's our responsibility, and it was my responsibility to define the thing that I want at that time to achieve, and I was very passionate about .NET MVC. In that time, I focused all my attention in learning MVC, scaled my knowledge in the relational database, SQL, but I just don't pay more attention. That is some mistake that I made in that time. Was not and get some deep knowledge related to the infrastructures. Yeah, I have this thing that I regret, because I was okay. I have my computer, I have everything work, and I just need push the code and refresh refresh the page and see things, and my boss sees things and just code reviews, things like that. But I never realized, okay, how the servers work, how this guy install all the infrastructures. Yeah, but think that just was okay. Get a book, read about this, learning about this. I don't did it, but a few years ago, I just go to another interview, and I starting take care about all the cycles of development that I was working. So my advice is, if you are starting now your career, define the type of job or schedule you need just to grow as a professional. And I repeat, building your career is your responsibility as a professional. Because a manager, maybe a bad manager can see you as a tool, and as a tool, he will just define the thing that you need to do. And if this job really pay your bills at the end of the month, you will say yes. But at the end, if you left this job, yeah, you need ask you what I achieve, the thing that I want to build, my career, or I just did regular things that some guy said, do this, do this, do this. Yeah. It's my advice for the people that is starting their career. So, okay, it's all. Bye.